Welcome to Prokan. Today, we're going to show you how to safely clean your barbecue grill using the innovative Scrub Daddy Grill Brush. Did you know that those little brass or steel bristles can break loose from the brush head? They can get stuck in the residue on your cooking grates and end up in your food, potentially causing serious throat or abdominal injuries. That's why we're excited about the Scrub Daddy Grill Brush. When we learned about it, we immediately headed to Home Depot to grab one. To get started, heat your grill to about 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure not to exceed 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, submerge the brush head in water. Colder water with ices work best, until it's saturated. This will help with the cleaning process. Now, use the Scrub Daddy brush to scrub the hot grate. For best results, resaturate often and work in sections. The adjustable handle allows you to easily turn the brush and use the built-in scraper to tackle any charred buildup residue. Don't forget to clean the entire grill box to remove built-up fat and avoid dangerous flare-ups. If you have cast iron cooking grids, remember to season them after cleaning for the best results. Keeping your grill clean is essential for great barbecue. With the proper cleaning process using the Scrub Daddy Grill Brush, you can enjoy delicious and safe meals every time. Prokan, built for generations of gathering.